just did some plowing. It's snowy, it's windy. Well, the snow's done, it's just really windy, but it's pretty deep. And it is about 2:30, almost 3 o'clock in the morning. And I've got a buddy out in Chesapeake. He lost a wheel on his pickup truck. Power steering's cold, don't mind that whining. We are heading to pick that up for him and get that dropped off, so that'll be fun. He limped it over into a parking lot without a wheel. I don't know how bad it actually is, but I guess we'll cross that bridge when we get there. So yeah, this will be fun. It's cold, very cold, but duty calls. I'll catch y'all in a second. Yeah, I'm not sure how well the camera will pick it up, all the wind blowing all this dust around. Virginia does not know how to fuck the plow or prep roads, obviously. I'm doing 20 and sliding me all over the place. But yeah, that's fun. They got guys out here in fucking loaders with buckets just kind of scraping the road. Couple plow trucks here and there, but they already dragged plows too early and there wasn't enough on the ground, so now it's just kind of ice. And they don't like using salt around here, so fun stuff. Yeah, so what they've called it in the news is blizzard conditions, mainly because of the wind. And the wind's definitely not playing no games. It's blowing the damn truck. Like just sitting still at a light, you can feel the whole truck shake. Which, I mean, it ain't no different than just normal wind on a stormy day, but it's definitely icing this shit over real quick. We're about 5 minutes out from the truck. I had him just leave the key with it. It's 2:36 in the morning, so I don't blame him. I'd want to leave it too. I'm just hoping all goes well once I get it loaded up. It's a decent sized truck. It's lifted, it's got big wheels, well, 3 of them anyways. And yeah, it's pretty damn icy. So we'll see how it goes. Alright, we just pulled up. It's not as bad as I was thinking, so I'm hoping it'll cooperate a little bit and I won't have to snatch block it a whole bunch. But yeah, he said he drove it in here without the wheel, it's just kind of sitting on the rotor. But it being lifted and having such wide wheels on it, I'm just hoping it won't try to walk off the side. So I'm probably gonna put the snatch on it just to be safe. Get lined up a little better. I can't see out my back window, covered in ice. Yeah, let's get into it. Just a warning, gonna be windy as hell. There's like a whole cyclone going on. It was ice. So pray for me. Oh.
No one said anything about coal. I'm sure there must be a good reason for us operating.
God damn. I didn't think about that. The bed's covered in everything. I'm gonna see how it goes. Yeah, oh damn, stud snap clean. Whole rims in the bed. I'm sure you can't see it, it's probably too dark, but whoo, it is cold. here without busting my ass. I got hook points, yeah. Woohoo! These boots ain't got much grip anymore, but they're waterproof. It's a win-lose situation. Alright, where's my hook? All the way underneath. Ah, fuck. It's like powdery snow, so I can't get a grip on nothing with gloves. There it is. Oh shit. Alright. Let's see what it does. Woo! The wind's just cold, baby. Steer. Woohoo! Holy shit. Ooh. Try to just use the steering wheel, that way I ain't gotta climb all over the truck. To pull, I'm gonna have to snatch it. It's way too slippery for me to even try to drive it up. I'm sure I'd be able to, but it's slippery. We'll do it the only way I know how. Snatch block. Oh. Holy fuck. I am not meant for this cold. I miss Florida. I wanted some content, so here it is. Alright, let me not die getting down from here. Alright, snatch is on. Come on, baby. There she go. Ah, nah, quit rolling. Shit. Whew, beanie's not beanieing very well. My block of wood. Hope that chocks it. Block of wood's not there. didn't fall off. I hope I didn't. Ah, you know what? I'm a dumbass. I left it at IAA the other day. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, sure did. Fuck. Alright. That's cooperating a little better. That'll work. Woo-hoo! Come on, truck, you can do it. You cold, I'm cold. Everybody cold. Alright, let's get some chains on this hoe. Whew. Oh, damn, right off. Okay, that's fucked up. Thanks, Mother Nature. Oh, no. Ah. Whew. Right in the face. Slippery, I'll do 2 chains. Can't feel my fingers. Woo, baby. Ah, holy shit. Miserable. All right, I'll call that good. Oh god. All right, she's loaded up there. Let's go ahead and get this thing dropped off. Catch you out in a second. Alright, well, since this is Chesapeake, obviously they do things different. You can drive on their roads. They're not covered in ice and shit. So it's just Virginia Beach. Now their traffic lights, I guess they on some Stranger Things type shit. They're just flickering. But yeah, now these roads are much better. And all these businesses, on the other hand, I guess they feel like getting or paying to get plowed this year. Yeah, more power to them, I guess. They ain't gonna be open. But they need somebody to plow. I know a guy. Well, it's much less windy over here. I fucking hooking this bitch up. I was like, God damn. All this shit fucking blasted me in the face.
Yeah, I was on the spec. I was not ready for this bitch to go.
Yeah. Was it on a spacer or no?
Yeah, yeah.
They're not 2-piece, are they?
No, it was 1 piece. But these are cut, so we couldn't put a different. Well, I had a buddy that had a spare, but we couldn't put it on there because it was being cut. We didn't have enough room.
I gotcha. Man, that fucking blows.
Yeah. And then the wheels track too, so that also sucks.
They 2214s.
Yep.
I know I don't know if Steven still has them or if he gave them to his mom. They got the same ones, 2214, but they're Ford lug.
Okay.
I don't know if he's trying to, or what the deal is with those. Oh damn, I got both of them. Hopefully it'll come off straight. That'd be nice. High hopes on that. Hyper neutral. It came down much nicer than it went up.
Yeah. Well, where it was parked in the parking lot, across the street, I don't know if you saw, but it was the apartments I was telling you about.
Yeah.
I had to drive it across the street to get it into that parking lot that it's at.
Oh shit.
That was terrifying.
I'm sure, I mean, at least it got the rotor to ride on. When you explained it, I thought like the whole fucking...
Well, that's what I thought.
The whole shit came off.
I thought the whole thing went to blue, and I got out and looked, and I was like, all right, hold up a second. My rotor's still there, my wheel hub's still there,
yeah.
My CV axle's still there. What the fuck's going on? And then I looked closely at it, and then I noticed...
Is when he said the wheel came off, it's like, ah, fuck the ball joint, let go.
Yeah, well, I thought it was more the wheel hub. And then I looked and...
So that's the one that just went bad, weren't it?
Say again?
That the one that just went bad?
Yeah, we replaced it.
Okay.
So it fully got replaced a couple of days after you dropped it off. And I was like, well, fuck, now I got to replace a whole nother wheel hub after I just replaced this one. So hopefully I can still get some type of warranty or something for it.
Right.
And I got to looking, and I was like, hold on a second, my studs are gone. And that's when I realized that the studs got the actual wheel hub and everything.
Right. I mean, that's best case scenario. I mean, none of it's good, but...
I would have preferred the studs to go than the wheel hub.
Yeah.
Personally. Because, I mean, I had extra studs sitting in the truck, so I could easily replace
Because if the wheel bearing let go, then that's your CV axle and all that. Yeah.
That's chilly, ain't it?
In a little bit. that's that.
Let me know.
All right, that is all set. Now I can boogie on out of here. A little slippery back here, but yeah, that's my buddy's truck. Yeah, when he had first called me, it sounded like the ball joint separated and everything was let go because he said the wheel fell off, but yeah, the studs just snapped on the adapters. So not too bad of a situation, I guess, for him. Could have been worse, but I'm heading on back in. I think we got some more plowing to do. I realized as we started plowing, because I was going to try to get some footage of that, my magnet mount is on my flatbed, which is in a shop right now getting fixed. So I don't have that, and the truck we're plowing with is aluminum, so it wouldn't have worked either way. But yeah, that'll be it for this video at almost 3:30 in the morning. As always, thanks for coming along, and I will catch you on the next one.